it comes to the community, what motivates you staying to the part of V100?
What motivates me, it's such a special group of people. They are willing to help each other, giving advice. I made some great friends, so it's been one of the best communities there is. I'm so happy to be in this community.
Community helps you communicate with other people around the world who have the same mindset, who have the same challenges and using the same products as you. Me, at least, the possibility to talk with the program managers or the product managers at Veeam, have a good discussion about the product itself, as well as being able to test out new features before it actually gets released.
I work as a pre-sales engineer, and with the community, I'm a VUG leader of our Women Analyzing Tech group. I think it's a great thing to meet like-minded people across the globe, because typically you would be limited within your geography. So I think it's actually really nice that people are coming from different countries. There are people from Australia, New Zealand, Canada, US, European countries, African countries. I just think for knowledge sharing, ideas sharing, it's a great way to meet.
Well, to me, it's always about sharing knowledge, learning together, but also getting out of your comfort zone and getting out of echo chambers. Because one of the things I have, if you work for an organization and you focus only on that organization, you tend to live in your own ecosystem. And it's very nice to go out and hear from different people in very different organizations. What are they doing? Are there challenges? How are they solving them or trying to solve them? And it opens your mind, and it avoids always talking to the same people and being stuck in your own mind, in your own processes, and that's why I like community.
I guess one other piece to it, this community, I think a good word for the community is authentic.
Yeah.
As I'm sure you're well aware, like, we don't just take care of each other from a technical perspective. We do so from a life perspective, I think, as well. Being a part of the tech community, specifically the Veeam community, for about 7 years, the Linux, just being able to install it on Linux, narrowing that gap in security.
You are actually a leader of a very special, peculiar group, which is called Women and Allies in Tech. Would you like to tell us a little bit more about the group?
Yeah, so it's all about trying to get more women into IT. You know, there's a bit of a gender split quite strongly, more towards sort of men. So we're trying to get more people involved, trying to help share the information, you know, break up things like imposter syndrome. You know, sometimes it can be a bit daunting when you get thrown into something, or it's a bit like, how do I even get into this? And it's trying to share the information with people, help them get the skills for it. And then with it being the Women and Allies in Tech type of group, we've got the support of all the wider allies, which is sort of something that's very much appreciated. You know, with their support, we can help spread the information further and kind of do better.
Veeam community to me is an absolutely unique opportunity to be part of an international group of people that are really into Veeam products and are very knowledgeable about the products. Some of them already became friends. I'm part of the community for some time already, and I very much appreciate being part of it. In my opinion, you don't find anything else in the market that is comparable to in the IT industry. So Veeam does a brilliant job here in building up something very special to the community and to all the other customers, because all the other customers benefit from the offer.
Initially means to me knowledge, and nowadays I can resume that in a word that is friendship. Because it started as a job or maybe as a collection of knowledge, has become a way of life. Has become sharing knowledge and also making lots of friends and trying to engage everybody around. So I can resume that is knowledge and friendship.
Welcome to V100 Summit. This is how we do it. A bunch of techies representing